Hi, welcome to Paracourse. In this Grasshopper tool, we can use this extend four-sided component to extend a polygon which has four sides, obviously. We can give a set multiple inputs to it. The first input is the side, so which side do you want to extend? We can define that. Also, there is a flipping direction, so maybe you want to flip the direction, and also there is an opposite switch, so you can switch that if you want to do it in the opposite direction or not. So if it's in the opposite direction, you can see that we can extend this edge here, which is going to go in the opposite direction, and also the next edge like that. If it's not opposite, we can define, for example, if this edge is going to be extended forward, so we have this one, and the opposite direction is going to be used for the second input here. Okay, to use this extended four-side component, we have developed a simple example file you can use here. As you can see here, I've just defined a four-sided polygon in Rhino. I've just given this to here, right click and set one curve. And as I change this, you can see that this building is going to also change. So this is the height of each of these floor plans. We also define how many number we need, as you can see here. And for the start and the end, I've just grafted the inputs and used a range with the same amount of counts we have here, but just x minus 1, so we have the same. And a construct domain. So this is going to be the start, this is going to be the end, and this is going to be in the next direction, start and end. So we can also play around with this, like this. Again, remember that you can just flip the direction. So instead of this direction, it's going to be this direction, right? So we can always flip it. Another thing you can do is to flip the opposite. So we don't have an opposite, we just extend it, which is really useful if you want to extend the floor plans in two opposite directions. You can see it here. And that's it. After we have the surface, we have extruded that for the thickness we need here, and the minus is going to be the subtraction of the height and the thickness of the roofs. So you can see we just move them up, we extrude that and delete the last part because we don't need this last part, and you can just see we have a simple custom preview with some edges. And now we can just give any four-sided polygon to the input and get new results. So that is also really useful if you want to design a building. Remember that you can always turn on the opposite and also the direction you want to extend. I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any questions, just ask below this lesson, and see you next time. Bye.